Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to make a ringtone for your iPhone for free. And basically all you have to do is go to GarageBand on your Mac. This only works on Mac computers. It would be on this. You have to go on iPhone. Then go to example ringtone, choose. Right here is where you're going to write the name of the song. So I'm doing a song called Not Afraid. Change this to desktop so you can delete it after you export it to iTunes. Press create. And there's going to be the song right here. It's just a random song. It's the example ringtone. So basically you're just going to, I'll just say it's something random. So just click on it, press the delete key, and then you just press this little, see this little media button right here. Click on that, and then you can choose any song from your library. So I'm going to try to find the song Not Afraid right here. And you just drag it in just like I did. Takes a minute to put it in. And now you have something that looks like this, and it's the whole song. So you can just press play. So that's the song, and I'm going to start it from, let's see. I'm going to start it right from the beginning. And you can make them like around 30 seconds. I would end it, because there's only so much you can export it as. So I'm going to play. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that. And basically this yellow bar at the top, all that does is that's where it ends and it begins. You can make it fade in and out, but you don't really have to. I don't like it fading in and out because the first word you wouldn't be able to hear. Like, listen. So it would be fading. You could do it quick, but it's not really necessary. So that's pretty much it. Oh, actually, now you would now you go to share and you say right here, send ringtone to iTunes, just like this. And it converts, exports, and then if you go to ringtones, here it is right here. Now, if you're once you're in iTunes, once you're in ringtones, you go to that's the one I just made right here, Not Afraid, and that's pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching. Might still be in that place if you're trying to get out. So I was chilling, going hard with the R&B